Eggs are a staple in many households, but during crises, they're often the first to vanish from store shelves. Just-in-time delivery keeps eggs fresh, but even minor disruptions lead to empty shelves. Unlike canned goods, eggs can't be easily stockpiled. They're perishable and need refrigeration. Understanding this helps us prepare better and explore sustainable ways to manage our food supply. Egg handling practices vary significantly between America and Europe, primarily due to differences in washing and storage methods. In the United States, eggs are washed before being sold. This process removes the natural protective coating, known as the bloom, and necessitates refrigeration to prevent spoilage. Without refrigeration, washed eggs become highly perishable. In contrast, European countries typically do not wash eggs. By leaving the bloom intact, eggs maintain their natural barrier against bacteria and moisture loss. This allows them to be stored at room temperature without compromising safety. The difference in handling practices reflects cultural and regulatory variations that impact egg longevity. The requirement for refrigeration in the United States stems from both safety regulations and consumer habits. Washing eggs is intended to reduce the risk of salmonella, but it also increases the need for cold storage. Europe's approach, focusing on maintaining the bloom, showcases a more natural method of ensuring egg safety. These contrasting methods highlight the importance of understanding egg preservation beyond modern conveniences. Embracing natural preservation techniques like those used in Europe can offer a more sustainable approach. Such knowledge is particularly valuable during times of crisis when traditional refrigeration might not be available. The bloom, a microscopic protective layer on an eggshell, plays a crucial role in preserving egg freshness. This natural coating seals the tiny pores on the shell, preventing bacteria from entering and moisture from escaping. By preserving the bloom, eggs can remain fresh for extended periods without refrigeration. When eggs are washed, this protective layer is removed. Without the bloom, eggs become vulnerable to spoilage and require constant refrigeration to remain safe for consumption. Understanding the function of the bloom is essential for anyone interested in preserving eggs naturally and effectively. In countries where eggs are not washed, such as in Europe, the bloom serves as a natural defense mechanism. It allows eggs to be stored at room temperature, making them more resilient to supply chain disruptions. This natural preservation method reduces reliance on electricity and modern storage techniques. The significance of the bloom extends beyond individual households. On a larger scale, preserving this natural coating can help communities maintain a stable food supply during emergencies. By appreciating the bloom's role, we can better utilize traditional preservation methods that have stood the test of time. Water glassing is an age-old method that allows eggs to be preserved for up to 2 years without refrigeration. This technique dates back to the late 1800s when households relied on it to maintain a steady supply of fresh eggs during winter months. It uses simple chemistry to create a protective seal around each egg. The process involves submerging fresh, unwashed eggs in a solution made from either sodium silicate or hydrated lime. This solution forms a barrier stronger than the natural bloom, preventing air and moisture exchange. As a result, eggs remain fresh for extended periods, even without cold storage. Water glassing was a practical solution before the advent of modern refrigeration. Families would preserve eggs laid during the abundance of spring and summer to last through the scarce winter. This method ensured a continuous supply of protein when chickens naturally slowed or stopped laying eggs. Today, water glassing offers a sustainable alternative for those seeking to enhance food security and self-reliance. By reviving this historical technique, we can reduce dependency on fragile modern systems and embrace a more resilient approach to food preservation. Preserving eggs through water glassing involves 2 main methods using sodium silicate or hydrated lime. Each method requires specific steps to ensure effectiveness and safety. Here we outline the process for both techniques, allowing you to choose the one that suits your resources best. For the sodium silicate method, begin by mixing 1 part sodium silicate with 10 parts water that has been boiled and cooled. This creates the protective solution. Place clean, unwashed eggs pointy side down in a food-grade bucket. Pour the solution over the eggs, ensuring they are covered by at least 2 inches of liquid. Seal the bucket and store it in a cool, dark place. The lime water method involves mixing 1 ounce by weight of hydrated lime with 1 quart of water to form a milky suspension. Like the sodium silicate method, pour this over the eggs in a bucket. The lime creates a high pH environment, sterilizing the shell and forming a protective crust. Both methods require careful attention to detail, such as using boiled and cooled water to prevent pathogens. Avoid using store-bought or washed eggs, as they lack the protective bloom necessary for long-term preservation. Proper storage in a cool, dark place is crucial for optimal results. A critical aspect of successful water glassing is the selection of eggs. Only fresh, unwashed eggs should be used for this preservation method. The natural bloom must remain intact to provide a barrier against bacteria and moisture loss. Sourcing eggs from local farms or backyard chickens is the best option. Using washed eggs, such as those typically found in supermarkets, leads to spoilage. The absence of the bloom makes these eggs susceptible to bacteria, resulting in potential health risks. It is crucial to ensure that the eggs used are clean but unwashed to maintain their natural defense. When placing eggs in the preservation solution, they should be pointy side down. This orientation helps keep the yolk centered and reduces the risk of spoilage. Ensuring that all eggs are fully submerged in the solution is also important to maintain the integrity of the preservation process. By adhering to these guidelines, you can maximize the effectiveness of water glassing. This method empowers you to maintain a supply of nutritious eggs, even when traditional storage methods fail. Proper egg selection is the foundation of successful long-term preservation. Glassed eggs can be a valuable addition to your kitchen repertoire, especially during times of scarcity. While they maintain their nutritional value, there are some changes in texture and taste to be aware of. Understanding these differences can help you make the most of your preserved eggs. After long-term storage, glassed eggs may have slightly thinner whites. This change can affect frying, as the whites may spread more in the pan. However, glassed eggs are excellent for baking, scrambling, or making omelets, where texture changes are less noticeable. When using preserved eggs for hard boiling, it is advisable to prick a small hole in the shell before cooking. This step prevents the egg from exploding due to trapped steam, a result of the sealed pores from the preservation process. Carefully managing these details ensures successful use in various recipes. Despite slight differences, glassed eggs remain a versatile ingredient. Their ability to provide essential nutrients during periods of limited fresh food availability makes them a valuable resource. By adapting your cooking techniques, you can seamlessly incorporate preserved eggs into your meals. Safety is paramount when using preserved eggs, and there are simple methods to determine their viability. The float test is a reliable way to check an egg's freshness. Place the egg in a bowl of water. If it sinks, it is likely still good. If it floats, the egg may be spoiled due to gas buildup inside the shell. Another important check is the smell test. Crack the egg open and smell it immediately. A strong sulfur odor indicates spoilage and the need to discard the egg. If it smells normal, it is safe to use. Conducting these simple tests provides peace of mind when using older eggs. Regularly testing stored eggs ensures that you only use those that are safe and fresh. These checks are quick and easy, offering an extra layer of assurance in your food preservation efforts. By incorporating them into your routine, you can confidently enjoy the benefits of water glassing. These safety measures are crucial for maintaining trust in your preserved food supply. They allow you to utilize this historical method without compromising on health and quality. Regular testing is a small effort that yields significant peace of mind. Water glassing is more than just a historical curiosity. It is a practical solution for today's food preservation challenges. Before refrigeration, this method was essential in ensuring a steady supply of eggs during the colder months. It allowed families to bridge the gap between seasons and maintain nutritional stability. In modern times, water glassing provides an opportunity to increase food security and self-sufficiency. By preserving eggs without relying on electricity, this method offers resilience against supply chain disruptions and natural disasters. It encourages the use of local resources and reduces dependency on industrial food systems. Reviving this technique allows us to reconnect with sustainable practices that prioritize quality and independence. It empowers individuals and communities to take control of their food supply, fostering resilience in the face of uncertainty. Water glassing is a testament to the ingenuity of past generations, offering valuable lessons for today's world. By embracing traditional methods like water glassing, we can build a more sustainable future. This approach not only preserves food, but also honors a legacy of innovation and self-reliance. It is a reminder that sometimes, the best solutions are those that have been with us all along.